In this video, we are going to discuss that one of the most important model application of trigonometry, how to use in that integration. See, now this problem is integration of sine 3x into sine 4x. So everyone please be revise that some important formulas in the trigonometry. You know, cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b is equals to, this result will be equals to 2 into sin a into sin b, sin a into sin b. So next another formula will be here, that this is that one formula. Next another formula will be cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So now this one will be 2 into cos a into cos b. This one will be 2 into cos a into cos b. So next one more result in trigonometry, that will be sin of a plus b, that will be sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. This value 2 into sin a into cos b. This value will be 2 into sin a into cos b, sin a into cos b. And next one more result will be, it will be sin of a plus b minus sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So this formula will be equals to 2 into cos a into sin b. This result will be equals to 2 cos a into sin b, 2 cos a into sin b. So these are the very important results from trigonometry. How to use all these formulas in that integration? You see, now here the given question is integration of sin 3x into sin 4x. Now this one you multiply and divided with 2. If you multiply and divided with 2, this value will be that 2 into, you can write this value will be sin of 4x into sin 3x into dx, sin 3x into dx. After this, by observing this here, this one, by observing this one, it is in the form of 2 sin a into sin b. In that here the results are 2 sin a into sin b. This value will be equals to, what is that value? Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So by using this one, you can write this value will be equals to 1 by 2 into integration of, this one will be cos of a minus b, that will be that 4x minus 3 into x minus cos of a plus b, that is that 4x plus 3x into dx, 4x plus 3x into this value is that dx. Now this value will be equals to 1 by 2 into integration of this cos of 4x minus 3x will be cos x minus cos of 7x, cos of 7x into dx. So all of you see here, integration of cos x, integration of cos x will be equals to, that is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into integration of cos x into dx, cos x into dx minus integration of cos of 7x into dx. What is that integration of that cos x? that will be equals to the sin x. And what is the integration of cos of ax? Sin ax by a. By using that formula, you can write this value will be equals to half into integration of cos x will be nothing but sin x minus this one will be that a sine of 7x whole divided by 7. Sin x whole divided by this value is at 7 plus plus c. Okay, so I hope that everyone is clear how to find that integration of sin 3x into sin 4x into dx. Here in this concept, the very important points are that here transformation formulas from the trigonometry. So very similar questions I will give you. Everyone please try to do all these questions. So one more question will be, similarly you can find out that integration of sin 3x into cos 4x, sin 3x into cos 4x into dx, cos 4x into dx. Okay, I hope that everyone is can do this question. So here multiply and divided with the 2. Now in both of the two angles, here is that 3x is there, here 4x is there. So better you consider that the biggest angle as that a, smallest angle as that b. Then easily you can solve this problem. So next one more question. So see, here is that question number 2. Integration of cos 2x into cos 4x, integration of cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x into dx. So here what is the difference to that previous question and this question? So in previous question we have that product of the two trigonometric functions, and I mean product of that two trigonometric, cos a into cos b, but in this sin a into sin b. Now here we have that three different functions with the different angles. One is that cos 2x, other one is the cos 4x, other one is that cos 6x. Now here first step 1 will be, as usual you multiply and divide it with the 2. So after this one, 1 by 2 into integration of this value will be nothing but a cos of, I will write this one as that a cos 6x into cos 2x. First I will be consider this one. So here this is the first one, into here again I will write that cos 4x. See that whatever you assume the two terms, you consider the first, those you have to take as the 2 into cos a into cos b. 2 cos a into cos b will be write that cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So what I am telling you here, that simple thing, the biggest angle you take as that a, smallest angle is that b. Now it becomes that a cos of, this one will be the 6x minus 2x plus, plus here plus cos of a minus b. So this one will be nothing but cos of 6x minus 2x. 6x minus 2x into cos 4x into this value will be cos of 4x into dx. 4x into dx. Now 6x plus 2x will be that 8x. That is equals to 1 by 2 into integration of this value will be that a cos of 8x. Cos of 8x plus cos of 4x, cos of 4x, okay, into that this one will be that a cos of 4x. See, you multiply that these two with the cos of 4x, then it becomes that is equals to 1 by 2 into integration of this one is that a cos 8x into cos 4x. into cos 4x into dx plus 1 by 2 into integration of cos 4x into cos 4x cos square of 4x into dx. Now, as in the previous procedure, here the first part also, here this one you multiply and divided with the 2, and this one also again multiply and divided with the 2. Now it becomes that 1 by 4 into, this is that 1 by 4 into integration of 2 into cos of 8x into cos 4x cos of 8x into cos 4x into dx plus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by 2 into, here you again multiply and divided 2 into cos square 4x cos square 4x into dx. You know, again you recall that fundamental formula. This one is 2 cos A into cos B, that is equals to 1 by 4 into integration of 2 cos A cos B means cos of A plus B, and that means this one will be that cos of 8x plus 4x will be that 12x plus cos of A minus B, that will be that cos of 8x minus 4x will be that 4x into dx plus 1 by 4 into, so you know, integration of 2 cos square, cos 2 cos square theta formula 1 plus cos 2 theta, so integration of this value will be 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is that theta in this value? 4x, so it will be nothing but 8x into dx. So now here you can take that 1 by 4 is that common throughout of this value, that is equals to 1 by 4 into integration of, the first one will be that a cos of 12x into dx, 12x into dx plus integration of cos of 8x into dx, 8x into dx plus integration of cos 4x into dx plus integration of 1 into dx. So now you simplify this value, that is equals to cos of ax integration will be sin ax by a, that is equals to 1 by 4 into integration of cos 4x will be sin of 12x whole divided by 12, okay, plus, and cos 8x integration will be sin of 8x whole divided by 8 plus, next one will be that sin of 4x whole divided by 4 plus integration of 1 into dx will be that x plus c. So your final ultimate the answer will be 1 by 4 into sin of 12x by 12 plus sin of 8x by 8 plus sin of 4x by 4 plus x plus c. That is that integration of cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x. I hope everybody is clear this problem. So thank you for watching that video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. One more question I will give you in the same model. So please everyone you try to do this problem. So here that similarly integration of sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x into sin 3x into dx, sin 2x into sin 3x into dx. So I hope everyone can do this problem. So we'll discuss that another models in the next video. Okay, once again thank you for watching this video.